Why does your throat make a clicking sound when you swallow or turn your neck? In many people, an occasional click in the throat is completely harmless. It can happen when small structures in your throat, such as the hyoid bone, larynx, or nearby cartilage, move against each other during swallowing or neck movement. You may notice it more when swallowing. You may notice it more when turning your head. You may notice it more when stretching your neck. Most people have no pain and do not need treatment. See an ENT specialist if the clicking is painful. See an ENT specialist if the clicking is persistent or getting worse. See an ENT specialist if the clicking is associated with difficulty swallowing. See an ENT specialist if the clicking is accompanied by a neck lump, voice changes, or throat pain. These symptoms may need further evaluation. Have you ever noticed a clicking sound in your throat? Comment ear below and follow for more evidence-based ENT facts.